2002 Ford Ranger, how to change the headlights. Real simple. Don't let it fool you. Don't take it to the body shop where they charge $50 or whatever. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the first three little bolts here. It's like a 5mm or 7, not sure, but I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna use a pair of pliers. So let me take that off now. Once you take off that top part, you notice you got two things here. And what these are, this is what pick it up, and it releases the top. It's held on. So this slides around here. $1 for these. If that doesn't match this, it's no big deal. Just because these come with with light bulbs. Just take the bulbs out. Take this out and put the brand new light bulb on there. I already know that this here doesn't fit here, which is weird, but that's the way it is. When it comes to the actual headlight, this one works. So remember, I got these for $45 on eBay. 45 bucks. It's 2019, March 15th. You slip these back. After you slip this back in, just put the clamps, just close them down like you took them off. Put the cap back on. All right, so there it is, $45 project for both headlights, eBay. As simple as pie to put it in. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, this is Conquer Your Fear and Do It Yourself channel, supported by simply subscribing. It's free. Thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy.